Hi guys, so today we will learn how we can do auto shutdown in virtual machine. So first what you need to do is you need to create one virtual machine, and if you are already having virtual machine in Azure cloud, then you can directly go inside that virtual machine. So I hope you guys know about how we can create a virtual machine. Even though if you guys are not aware like how you can create a virtual machine, then what you can do is like you can just refer my playlist at how to create virtual machine video, and you will be able to get it like how we can create a virtual machine. So here I already having one virtual machine created. So here like what we need first we need to do is like we just need to come down, and in operation you will get that auto shutdown option. So once you will click on that, here you will get it like when here you can configure the time when you want to shut down your system. So currently here, as you can see, the time is not in IST, it is in UTC. So what you need to do is like you just need to convert this UTC time to IST first, and then you can put that time here. And just make sure like sometimes what will happen is like your server time itself would be wrong. So what you need to do is you just need to come here, and you need to see like whether your time in a virtual machine is correct, right? So for that, again what we'll do is like we will just log into this VM. So again I'll just reset my password first, as I just lost that password. This is my demo machine. Yeah, so these steps you need to follow. Maybe like you don't need to follow this reset password option. If you are already having password, then you can directly log into your server, and you can see like if time is correct with respect to IST, if you are working in India, or if you are doing the setting in India, right? So it should be like correct. So after setting that time correct, then you can just go to that auto shutdown option, and then you can configure that time. Again there is one more change. So first let me log into this machine, and then I'll show you like what all things you need to do. So it is just taking time. So maybe till then what I'll do is like I'll just update you like what you can do in auto shutdown. So here you can see like time is in UTC. So what you can do is like you can just see like UTC to IST, right? So now there like this is like in 12 hours, this is like in 24 hours format. So if UTC it is 12 AM means here it would be 5:30 AM, right? So based on that you can just change it, or else you can just search for that IST to yeah, IST to UST and UTC, and then you can convert it. So here like let's say like you want to set down your system like exactly at 12 AM, right, according to Indian Standard Time. So what you need to do is like you need to just check whether yeah, so what would be the time for India, like so it will be like some if that UTC is 6:30 p.m., then in India it would be 12 a.m. So based on that you can give that time. So let's say like you want to just shut down your system at 12 a.m. So what you need to do is like here you need to pass it like 6:30 p.m., right? So here you can pass that like 6:30 p.m. and you just need to save it, but make sure like your time is correct in a server. So again we'll check it like whether that time is correct. Right, so that first step would be like checking a time whether that server is having a correct time. Then second step would be just converting that UTC to IST, and based on your IST timing you can set that UST time there, and then you can save it. So let me log into this system first, and then I'll show you like whether my time is correct in this server or not. If it is correct means we are good, otherwise we need to correct it and then only it will work. Oh, that's just an step I am showing you. Yeah, just so I'm logging in, that session is getting configured. Yeah, so here you can see like I am able to do that RDP to this server. So here you can see the timing, and then based on that time only it will get set down, and yeah, so there it, even though if you are configuring correctly and your server time is not correct, then sometimes you will face that issue. So make sure like your time is correct on server itself. So here you can see like it is 5:41, right? And to my Indian local time also it is 5:41. So if I'll just save it, this auto set down at 12 a.m. means that time it will work, because that my server time to my Indian standard time is correct, and here I am configuring like that 6:30 I need to give, right? So it should be 06 and then 30, and then here I need to give that PM, right? That is 12 a.m. according to, and you just need to save it. So once this is updated, what will happen is like it will get set down exactly at 12 a.m. and it will work for you like that auto shutdown. You just don't need to come manually at 12 a.m. and do a shutdown and all, right? So it will automatically happen. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, you can just write me, or you can just put it in a comment box. I'll just check and I'll try to create another video based on your doubts. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.